Hi, I'm Carly Markovich. I'm the Animal Facility Manager at the MDI Biological Laboratory on Mount Desert Island. The MDI Biological Laboratory specializes in regenerative research. We have a lot of medical research that's happening here that takes a look at things like the heart and the kidneys, liver, and tissues in general in humans. We take a look at animals and how they're able to regenerate these parts of themselves, which is something that we can't do as human beings. So we take a look at those animals, zebrafish in particular, axolotl, which are a Mexican salamander, and the African turquoise killifish. With the axolotl, they can regenerate basically any parts of their bodies, their limbs, parts of their hearts or brains, eyes, all sorts of stuff. We take a look at that and we try to see if we can do that for humans. We look at their genomes, so we look at all of their DNA, all the cells in their body, and we can take a look and compare that to a human being and all of our cells and our DNA. And we look at these different genes and we can compare them, and they're very, very similar, it turns out. I went to school for marine biology. I've been interested in it since I was 5 years old. I was just that kid that always loved the ocean. We're in desperate need of more people interested in the sciences and in this field. The ocean needs advocates for it. When I went off to college, I decided to do that for a living. And ever since then, I've had lots of different jobs. I've been very fortunate working with whales and the penguins and the sea lions. It was incredible. It was an amazing experience. However, I realized that I actually really loved the marine invertebrates in particular. My job as the animal facility manager at the biolab is making sure that all of these animals have the appropriate environments for what they need. It's easy for them to be out in nature. Nature just happens on its own. But in the lab, we have to simulate that for them. So we have to make sure that they have the right environment, whether it be the temperature, the pH, salinity. We're constantly checking those systems and making sure that they are happy and healthy for these animals, that things are going smoothly in the way that they should be. We do operate on the animals. We use anesthesia. We do it just the way you would with a human. We take the best care we possibly can to make sure that these animals are safe and treated well. And in order to get good research from these animals, you have to have healthy animals that are living good lives and don't have a whole lot of stress. I love these animals so much. And if we're going to be using them for our benefit, for our research to help out humans, then it's my job to make sure that they have the best life that they can.